Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve iOS WCAG consistent navigation violations. WCAG 3.2.3, titled Consistent Navigation, states that when navigation mechanisms are repeated, then they must occur in the same relative order each time they are repeated unless a specific change is initiated by the user. The intent of this success criterion is to encourage the use of consistent presentation and layout for the user who interact with repeated content or need to access specific information or functionality more than once. Consistent navigation allows users to predict the location of the content they are looking for and find it more quickly when they encounter it again. For more details on the specifics of WCAG consistent navigation violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix a consistent navigation violation with the help of the Mesmer accessibility audit. But first, would I really be a consistent YouTuber if I didn't ask you to like and subscribe? Here we have a consistent navigation violation brought to us by the Mesmer accessibility audit. Now that we know where this violation is located, let's pull it up in our storyboard editor so we can take a better look at the sequence of user interface controls in their relative order each time they occur. From our storyboard editor, we can clearly see that there are 3 iterations of the same user interface controls, but each time they are repeated, they are presented to the user in a different relative order, thus causing additional cognitive load for all users and decreasing the efficiency at which they can use your application. Let's go ahead and resolve this violation by making sure that the relative order is consistent for each iteration of these user interface controls. Now, each time the user is presented with these navigational controls, they are presented in the same relative order, thus resolving our consistent navigation accessibility violation. And just like that, you can resolve your consistent navigation accessibility violations within your mobile applications. Don't forget to implement your objects once so that refactoring changes are not needed in multiple places. Have you checked out the free Mesmer demo? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and happy developing!